Interesting fact. Did you know that over 80% of restaurant customers may not return if they view your establishment as being unhygienic? MotorScrubber are cleaning and hygiene experts. Our engineers have developed a revolutionary cleaning system called DMT. This system will transform the way you clean and make sure that your customers keep coming back time and time again. Introduce mechanical scrubbing with MotorScrubber Jet to deep clean 100% of your floor. Maintain daily with Blade. Blade gives 80 times more pressure compared to other mops to transform your hygiene from ordinary to outstanding. We're now going to demonstrate the DMT system and how it'll clean throughout the restaurant. Let's take a look in the kitchen. Now this is where floors are generally very slippery and greasy, and there's lots of awkward areas to clean. The typical method for cleaning this floor is with a deck brush and string mop. Many studies have proven mops like this are breeding grounds for bacteria. They just spread contamination around your floor, which is the last thing you want to do in the kitchen. So let's give this kitchen a deep clean using the MotorScrubber DMT system. Scrub 3 times faster than with a manual brush. Blade residue into the drain, leaving floors instantly dry. Your floor will be transformed, resulting in your surfaces staying immaculate forever. Behind the bar is a busy area with lots of foot traffic. Slip accidents are common due to spilt drinks and slippy floors. And the last thing you want behind your bar is a nasty odour coming from the bacteria that feeds on that residue. If you have a wet vac, upgrade to the suction kit and dry as you scrub. First impressions are lasting impressions, so your entranceway needs to be outstanding. Each spray gives fresh, clean solution. No more mixing clean and dirty liquid. Each reset gives a clean section of ultrafiber. Blade gives 80 times more pressure compared to other mops. Toilets, restrooms, they're difficult and unpleasant to keep clean. Often they may look clean, but strong odors suggest otherwise. 90% of your customers judge your kitchen by the cleanliness of your toilets and restrooms, so it's essential to keep these areas immaculate. And when you're all done, hang it on the wall, ready for next time. At the end of a busy shift, your employees will be thankful they can clean faster with the DMT system and leave on time. As we have just seen, there are many benefits when you introduce the MotorScrubber DMT system. You can now deep clean, maintain, and transform all areas of your restaurant. Your hygiene rating will increase, and your employees will benefit from using modern, easy-to-use equipment. And most importantly, you will have many happy returning customers. Are you ready to transform the way you clean?